Mountain Valley microclover seed creates a dense, low carpet of tiny white clover leaves that looks refined and stays attractive through the seasons. This microclover acts as a living fertilizer by capturing nitrogen from the air, so the surrounding soil gradually becomes richer without constant chemical inputs. Once established, the clover lawn handles dry spells far better than typical turf grass, remaining green with noticeably less watering and fuss. Its naturally short growth habit means it rarely needs mowing, making it a practical choice for people who want a softer, more relaxed lawn with minimal upkeep. The seed tolerates a wide range of soils and light conditions, so it works well for full clover lawns, mixed plantings with grass, erosion control, and even small pasture areas. A generous quantity of very small seeds in each bag allows for thick, even coverage, and the long history of the Mountain Valley Seed Company inspires confidence in the overall quality.